Hello everyone. Here I'm gonna show you another video. This is a tutorial which shows um, how to how to show a text if there is no result on a repeater. For example, as you can see here, this is from my previous video. So here I have some smartphone models: Apple, Huawei, Nokia, Samsung, and Xiaomi. And here, as you can see, I have item 1. So if I click on Apple, I will have two smartphone. Huawei I have two as well. Nokia I have two. Samsung I have two. Xiaomi I will have two. But here, if I click on item 1, see what happens. No result. And then if I go back to one of these, here it is. So here the text just disappear and the result are retrieved. So let's get started. I will show you how to achieve this result. So let's go back to editor. Okay, as you can see here, if you watch my previous video, you will find the previous one, which was called how to display result using Boolean values. So if you miss that, you will have a better explanation about dataset, repeater, drop down. So I will not explain here because it's a bit long. So just you can check my previous video. So for example here, what I did, here I have my drop down, and here I have my repeater. Here is my dataset, and here I add this text, which if you click on properties, I edit the ID to no res text, and this one I hidden download. I want to be hidden download. So this is the code. I create a function here, which I call error text result. But anyway, let me go through that step by step so you will understand much better. So what you have to do now is that we have to create a function which tells the website that if there is no result to the repeater, we have to show this text. But if there is results, we have to hide this text. So the way we do that is just adding a function to the code that we can then add it to the already function. So it means that whenever the website is ready, it will load this code. So the way to do this is to go at the very end of your code and add the function. So I will call this function I will call it error text result. Okay. So I will just tell the website to do this. $w dataset1 already, So inside the already, I need to add this variable. So I start by typing let count equal to $w dataset1 get total count. So this get total count, it means that we are counting the items we are having in the repeater. So this is very useful. So after this, we have to add the code in this way. Let's give a bit of space. If count is greater than 0, then $w no result text. Let's see where I put it here. No result text hide. So in this way, we are telling the website that if count, it means if the get total count is greater than 0, it means that if there is even one result, so this text, which is this one, will hide. Okay, so this is correct, but we have to write another code which tells the website that if um, the count is equal to 0, we have to show the error text. So here we write in this way. We add another if count equal to 0, then $w no result text show. That's it. Here just we close the bracket. Okay, now our code is ready and it should be working. So the only thing, now the code is here, but we need to add this code, this function, to the already function. So the way we do that is just typing here the same name of the function, which is here error text result. You can either copy and paste it, you can just type in. See, it will show here. That's it. So in this way, whenever the website loads, it will load this function. So let's see if that works. Preview it. Okay. Okay. Let's click on item 1. That's it. You see, guys? So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and let me know in your comments if you have any question or if you want to ask me anything. Thank you so much, and I will update more videos very soon. Bye bye.